Robotics is Leaside High School's VEX EDR team that competes in the VEX Robotics competition. Since 2013, Robotics' ultimate goal is to represent Leaside and Canada internationally. Established in 2013, Robotics has never overlooked but maintained STEM education in every aspect of our team. In 4 robotics teams, one of which is an all-girls team, have many members who work hard to represent the Leaside community, their skills, and STEM. We hope to grow our brand and develop STEM-focused outreach programs. Currently, there's a growing interest of youth for the STEM field, specifically technology and engineering. Many schools have acquired their own robotics club or programming club to engage their passion. However, youth, especially girls, are intimidated by STEM. The solution? Crash course robotics workshops. The workshops will help educate more students about the band end of STEM and opportunities surrounding STEM. And more importantly, it is to encourage more girls to join robotics and break the stigma.